Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Carol Burns, and I've spent more than 9,000 hours creating a math website for my students and for you. This video will give you a quick look at what I offer. Most importantly, I have over 300 really good lessons in Algebra 1 and 2, Geometry, Precalculus, and Calculus. They've been fine-tuned over more than 25 years of teaching. Let me show you a typical lesson and some of the common features. You always get an in-a-nutshell lesson. And by the way, that dissolving green was the math being processed. This in-a-nutshell lesson is short and sweet for people who just need a quick review. And of course, there are always completely worked out examples. Now, if you need more detailed instructions, at the top here, you can click Read the Text. It gives you a more traditional textbook, which you can read online or print. You can have fun with the alternate page numbers. This is page 186, and that's just another name for 186. Now you'll notice that there are no ads in sight when you're reading the math. I do have an ad on the top of each page, but it stays out of sight while you're working. Lots of my pages are very popular. At the moment I made this video, the phrase % increase pulled up one of my lessons as number 2 of 295 million in Google, and number 3 of 46,700,000 in Bing. Now, you can't learn math without practice, and lots of it. So each one of my lessons offers unlimited practice. From the top, you can jump right to the exercises. It's an extremely simple and fast interface. Just click the New Problem button. They're randomly generated, so they're different every time. Type in your answer, and it will tell you if you're correct. You can time yourself. Let me put my name in and click Start Timing and do a few problems here. That's 0, and that's 64, and that's -30. And I will click End Timing. This is really helpful if you want to see your day-to-day improvement. Let's see. I average 3.4 seconds per correct problem. If you want to see just how fast students have been able to do this, check out, up the top here, Algebra Pinball. Now for this particular exercise, Woo-Ji Kim holds the record at 1.1 seconds per correct problem. Just try to beat that. I certainly can't. And by the way, they had to do at least 20 problems to have it count. Sometimes you have to practice away from the computer, and sometimes teachers need quizzes and tests. So I offer randomly generated worksheets with solutions. Let me show you one of my geometry pages. Oh, by the way, lots of my lessons have fun built-in explorations. For example, here, you can make sure that you really understand what we mean by a base height pair in a triangle. Okay, so you move down past the online exercises and you click here for a randomly generated worksheet and answers. All the problems are guaranteed to be different types. The answers print out on a different page. In some browsers, you just go File, Print, and you'll get a printed copy. And every time you click this button, you're going to get a different worksheet. I have fully sequenced courses. Here is my Algebra 1 course, which has 165 lessons. It's a complete year-long course in high school, or it would be one term in college. Now, this third column is a collection of some of the absolute best fun stuff on the web for when you need a break. I also have a short course in geometry that emphasizes proof, Algebra 2. I have all the way up through calculus lessons. Now, the entire site has been done by me, so there's a consistent look, voice, and writing style. I have a Doctor of Arts in Mathematics, which is a doctoral level degree that's designed for effective teaching. And you can read about my many awards and testimonials by following links from my homepage and my main table of contents. So how do you find me? Well, the easiest way is to go to any search engine and type in 3 words, Math, Cat, Burns. That's me. Have fun exploring, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me via the email that I have on my homepage. So have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.